Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter. Welcome to Accelerando Piano. This is part 2 of how to play a slur. In this tutorial, you'll see me working with a student who happens to be my husband Shane, and we're working on how to play a slur. He's a beginner student and we're just introducing this concept with him. So you'll see me working with how to loosen off his wrist and to overcome some of those maybe little tricky physical challenges of how to play a slur comfortably and nice and easily. If you don't know what a slur is and how to play them and what they look like on the stage and all those sorts of things, then you want to check out how to play a slur part 1. So I would recommend you do that first, and then once you've done that, come back to this video and you can see me working with Shane. And then you're bouncy for those guys. Like that.
Right, so
let's try that. Yeah. So bounce on those two.
I need to actually make sure I've got the right. Okay, so it's
good. Yeah, and think of down and off. It's sort of like a float off your thumb. Yep. Think of down and B. So think of this. Let that drop a little more. So down and then off. So when you come off, go to neutral. So you can play your thumb on the way up. I'm exaggerating.
I
see how my wrist is.
Right,
in fact, put your hand in the back of my wrist just to feel that. So instead of being not moving,
yeah,
I'm going to exaggerate. Down, off, down, off. So my wrist is playing that on the way up.
right.
So I'm quite loose there. Now I wouldn't be doing that all the time. That's probably a little overkill. But just that looseness to come off your thumb, like that.
Okay. So I think that needs to be there, right?
Yep. Very good.
Right.
So you're going to bounce those guys, and then down and off.
So
yep. Think of just do that.
On there.
Yep. Yep. So let that drop, the wrist drop. Ah, yep. So yep, there, and then when you come up, let your wrist take you up. Yep. Just gonna keep shoulder relax. Just do it on the keys there. Down, off. That's better. Heaps better. Cool. Okay. So now when you do that, it's that down, up feeling. So your wrist is involved in the slur. Okay, let's try it with 3 and 2. So we're over exaggerating the movement at the moment. So you're going to go down. Yeah, hang on. So don't do that one. Down.
Yeah.
And on the way up, play that one. Yeah. Down, up. So you're going to start your upward movement as, so I'm sort of playing that as I'm starting to lift.
Right. So it's
Down.
like that.
Yep. And just come off your second finger. So down, off. Yep. So you're just anticipating the lift a little early. Down, off. That's better. Yeah. Much better. Yep. Down. So da-dum. Yep. So down. Yeah. Still see, you're still playing. You're feeling there's a downward motion when you're playing that. Still, you want to feel down.
Yeah.
Let that drop. Over exaggerate. And then you're going to go up. So down, off. Yep. Down, off. Yep. Yep. Nearly. Yep. So don't go down even further when you're playing that one. You're playing that. And then as you're playing that, you want to have the sense of lift in your wrist.
Okay.
So down, up. Put your hand on the back of mine again to feel that. So down. And I'm not going down further to play that. Feel I went down further.
Yeah.
So I'm not doing that and then lifting. I'm going down, off,
Right.
down, off. Not down, down, off.
I think I follow.
Yep.
Right. So it's...
So yep, doesn't matter what notes you pick. Just
So
exercise down. That's better. Yep. Much better. Much better. Woohoo! You got it. How's that feel?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Alright. Grunt. Right. That's lots better. Yeah. It's like those slurs. It's exactly what you're doing on those.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Down and
right.
off.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So it's
Yep.
going to be...
Off. Yep.
No, I'm going down too.
Yeah. Down. Whoa. Slow. Down. Left. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let that drop.
Yeah.
Feel the down. You haven't moved yet.
Oh, okay.
Let that drop. And up. Yeah, do it with 3 and 2. Might be easier than your thumb. There you go. Down. Yep. Yeah, that's better. Yep. So it's just loosening off your wrist a bit. So slower. That's doing the down, down. Don't drop it even more.
Right.
Yeah, lift as you play that one. So it's a downward feel. Yeah, don't stop. You're stopping at that point. Yeah, there you go. Much better. Yep. It's that sort of. Yeah. Right. Cool. All right. Oh, damn. Articulation. Legato, staccato, slurs, accents, all those sorts of markings that you get on the music.